we're going to be having a look at how vector and bitmap drawings actually differ. So if you have a look at the picture that I have up here for you, what you'll see is I've got vector written here with the magnification of part of a diagram, and bitmap magnification again at the same level, but showing you the difference between bitmap and vector. So vector graphics are used with geometrical principles. Okay, so they've got points, they've got lines, they've got curves, and generally they're used for things like shapes or polygons. And in general, they actually use mathematical principles for them to work. They are based very much on vectors, okay, which are also called paths or strokes. And those vectors, paths or strokes allow for incredibly clear graphics. So if you have a look at our picture here, you will see that when I've zoomed in on a particular part of a diagram, you'll see that the vector graphic it's a smooth as silk. It's virtually clear as day. However, the bitmap is actually showing every single pixel that has been used to create that particular shape. So vector diagrams are far superior to bitmaps when it comes to doing something that's got a lot of detail and that you want to perhaps magnify or zoom in on. So that's important to know. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be actually using, well obviously we're using SVG, which is the vector graphics for our images, but what we're going to be using today is we're going to be using something called the Bezier tool. And with that Bezier tool, we're going to be creating something based on an existing image. So we're going to go on to a new document. So I'm going to say File and New. And you can see my page in the middle here. Now remember, to zoom in, you can press the plus. To zoom out, you can press the minus. And what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to go onto Google and save an image. So if you can go onto Google, I want you to find an image of, it could be something as simple as a sailboat if you wished.